Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn to make an activity on 10 different animals. At first, draw all the animals on the chart paper and then color. Here you can see two different birds also. We will use these in our next activity video. Let's start to make an activity on animals. For this, we need chart paper in which all the animals have already been drawn, mount board, scissor, ice cream sticks and Fevicol. Roughly cut all these animals from the chart paper. Paste all these on the mount board. Now again roughly cut all these animals. Now cut these in the proper shape. Apply Fevicol on the ice cream sticks and paste. Activity on animals is now ready. In my next video, we will learn to identify and recognize the names of different animals with this activity. We will also learn their sounds. If you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.